Hi there, this is going to be a quick little tutorial to show you where to find downloadable lessons, and then once you've purchased them, how you access them. We have a complete listing of different product lines here of our different lessons available. We have one that's called the Forever Downloadable Lessons, but if you look at this, come to the bottom, these are done alphabetically. There are 27 pages. That's a lot to go through. So, if you know, for instance, you know what subject you may want, if you go to our viewer lessons by subject or size, you have abstracts, animals, back to basics, etc. You can see we have a lot of different categories that will get them sorted down smaller group. Basically, all the lessons up here are available for download or to purchase. Not 100% of them, but I'm going to say a good 90+% of them is. So let's say that we're looking for a landscape. Those seem to be very popular. We can go to the landscapes. There's 241 items in here, but now we break it down further. We have buildings, bridges, buildings, clouds, desert scenes, etc. But you may say, well, I remember there's a person that was telling me about one called Forest Glade or something. Up here in the orange bar, type in just one word, just a few letters, forest. Don't hit return and see what comes up. Well, we have the Forest Glade tutorial right there. We have a deep forest waterfalls. We have a frog that's an exotic rainforest. And again, you have several here that have the word forest somewhere in their title or in their description. All right, let's say we wanted the Forest Glade. Now you see we have three different ones listed here. We have tutorial, introduction, and download. You're interested in the download one. So always click on the download one. We'll get you there directly. We click on that. There you go. Perfect. This is exactly what I'm looking for. You can learn a little bit about the lesson. You can see the materials that we'll need. If you try to access any of these are, you have to purchase it to get to the reference materials, etc. All you do is click and roll this title, and you add it to your cart and check out. Now, once you've purchased a lesson, you need to create an account on our website. It can be the free green membership is all you need. And you would go then to My Tutorials. Now this person, this is the red member, has bookmarked several tutorials. And I know that he owns Watson, so I'm going to bring up Watson up here. And I'm going to go to the downloadable. Create a little lesson. And you'll see right down here, bookmark. If it's doesn't have its little heart filled in, you can click on it. Matter of fact, I'm going to make a new category, and I call it downloads. Hit the old check mark. And now I'm going to select the download as the category that I put this into. So now whenever I want to get back to this lesson, if I'm on my account, you go to your bookmarks. It's right here. I apologize for the colors. We are working on that situation. Watson Scott is downloadable. And they all say downloadable after them. So then you can just go to that one immediately and you're ready to start your lesson. You see, it doesn't say take this lesson because you've already paid for it. And everything's accessible. And away you go. Your different reference materials, then your episodes. This has got 7 episodes. Now, you bought a downloadable. You can either watch them online using the internet, or you can download them. Even if you want to watch them online, we recommend that you download them right here under the download section, so you have them in case something happens to our website or something else happens. Because you have purchased this lesson, so you should download it. And that's all you have to do. So if you have any questions, please use the contact us. To get out of here, you can hit right here or the logo in the upper left-hand corner and get you all the way up. We'll just get back out to the home page. The home page of the tutorial. Contact us. Use the contact us form if you have any questions. Questions, issues, anything that we can help you with. All right. Thanks very much.